Welcome back to the Adventures of Happy Hours. We are leaving our canal for the first time since arriving in Florida after our ICW trip from New York. The plan for this weekend was to explore some of the local areas in southwest Florida around Cape Coral and Sanibel Island. And for this trip, we finally have our first mate with us. All right, we are finally out of our canals and on the so-called open water, coming up to the miserable mile. It's pretty much a slow speed zone where everybody goes through. Matey's loving it. Hey, Matey. Hi, boy. Hello, puppy. Oh, there he goes. You can see the line of boats heading towards the miserable mile. Gonna go find ourselves a nice little island to anchor off of and take the dinghy over to the beach, do a little exploring. All right, we're hitting a resume normal safe operating speed area. We'll see all the boats take off now. But we'll continue to go our slow speed. Our first stop of the day was to travel about 4 miles from our inlet over to a small island called Picnic Island. This small sandy island is sandwiched between St. James City and Punta Rassa and is a popular spot for boaters on the weekend. All right, we are anchored here in like 10 feet of water just off of Picnic Island, which is a nice little sandy shore to beach island. A few boats already here. Over that way is Fort Myers. That's the Sanibel Causeway Bridge. Straight ahead. And the Sanibel Causeway Island. Over that way is Fort Myers. So we got a little beach here to ourselves. Looks like there's some trails you can walk around. I'm gonna take Matey over in the dinghy now. Check it out. Water's not super blue here. We got tide is coming out, so when we get the incoming tide, it'll be a lot nicer. There's Mommy out there. There's Bridget. Bridget's sitting on the boat. It's a little cloudy here. Where's all the sun? All right, Matey, enjoying the beach. Taking friends. Where's your stick? Get the stick. Come on, get the stick. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Get the stick. Give me that stick. Give me that stick. Come on. Over here. Come on. Come on, boy. You get it. Good boy. The water is so warm. It's unbelievable. The dinghy's running good. Keep dealing with carburetor issues, but running good now. It's all about bad gas, I guess. Oh. Matey doing his business. Good thing I got the bags. Good boy, Matey. No privacy, right? You did a little swimming? Oh, look at you. You got the life vest on. Get your head out of here. No. Come here, you. Well, you keep going through the life vest. Come on. On water. So you just dry yourself off and now you just get a little water. Come on, boy. Come on. Where's your stick? Get your stick. Where is it? It'll float away. Here it is. Get your stick. Come on, right here. Ready? Ready? Go ahead. There's some paths around here on the island. It's definitely visited by many people. There's a rope swing right here. It's nice. This is. Please take your trash with you. Island's pretty clean. Looks like a little campsite in here. Here's a rope swing. And then another beach over there, on the other side of the island. I'm gonna take a dinghy ride around the island, check it out a little bit. Matey.
Yeah, let's see how long before he gives up.
Another qualified captain. Stuck on a sandbar. Gotta watch the tides, folks. A lot of people stuck on sandbars now. Sandbar people. I don't know if this was on purpose or not. There's the whole sandbar party going on. We took the dinghy around to the west side of the island and found out that it was awfully shallow. There was no way you're getting a large boat in here. But there was a small lagoon where some boats were able to figure out how to get in. I was worried about running aground with the dinghy. That's how shallow it was. All right, we got Bridget on the beach. And Matey's doing his business. A little baby horseshoe crab. Little baby one.
I'm loving it. This is so fun. So many boats and it's just so much fun to watch. It's so nice. There's a nice breeze, the water.
It's nice today. Check this place out. It's got a...
Matey loves it.
You having fun, Matey? He's getting right into the seawater. Oh, check this nice picnic table. And a really cool barbecue. Made out of a keg. Please respect others' property. It's for you to use too. Clean when done. CJ. Thanks, CJ. Good job. I wouldn't say this is the nicer side of the island so much because it's like murky sand, muddy. But the place is another spot. I bet you people go camping in here. We saw some tents on the island on the other side. Where you going, Matey? Oh yeah, check this out. Pretty nice. Come on, boy.
Matey.
All right, so we're on the west side of Picnic Island, right off of the miserable mile between Cape Coral and Punta Rassa, I guess you'd call it, or Fort Myers. But really not a nice place to swim over here. Look at all the seagrass on top of the sand. It's actually comfortable to walk through, but it's very shallow. You could see the cuts of all the boats that ran aground and tried to get out. Looks like crop circles. Oh, the Admiral's taking control of the ship. Matey. All right, we got a little bored with Picnic Island. Winds were picking up a little bit, and we're thinking of moving. We're gonna go over by the Sanibel Causeway, and winds are coming out of the southeast, so we should be protected in the lee of the island. And it looks pretty calm. It's only about a 20-minute ride from Picnic Island, going super slow like we like to go. So nice little cruise. It should be deep enough. We found a nice little spot that'll be protected from the wind and from the wakes and the and also the waves. So it should be a pretty good spot. Maybe we'll just stay there all night. It looks sunny over there too. So here we were at Picnic Island. You know, we got a chart plotted here, and there's the Sanibel Causeway, and you can see it's deeper water right all in here. So we're going to drop anchor right there. The winds are coming out of the southeast this way, so we should be pretty well protected. Should be a lot of fun. We're towing our dinghy, so I didn't have to bring it back on the davit. Little camera, rear view camera, checking her out. Looking good. It's a little nerve-wracking going by a sandbar right over there. We should be good. We'll keep an eye on the depth and an eye on the charts. Still well over 7 feet, 8 feet. All right, we're at our next anchorage here, right off the Sanibel Causeway. I didn't want to get any closer. It started getting a little shallow, so why risk it? We're in about 6, 7 feet of water right now. There's the Sanibel Causeway Bridge. Nice view all around. Bridget's loving her Florida lifestyle.
Yep.
We're in a good spot here. The wind's blowing us out of the sun, so we have some shade here. It's all about looking for shade in Florida. Yep. So I was hoping we could get a little closer to the beach, but this is fine. We could take the dinghy if it runs. I'm having trouble with that.
We just cooked steaks on the grill, and this manatee wants to join our party. Keeps circling around our boat. It's been here for a while. Just circling around our boat. Swimming right under our boat. Hey, bud. Tommy's got a new friend. Or
Manatee?
yeah, or the manatee's really hungry.
Is he gonna eat me?
Wants some dinner.
Oh my God, look at him right here.
Yeah, right here.
Holy cow.
Yeah, like he's
really curious.
yeah, I told you,
It's my first manatee sighting. On the boat,
he's
at least.
got a mission with
He's on a
happy
mission?
hours. I don't know if it's our steak we cooked, if it's Matey. I don't know.
Hopefully we don't get any storms tonight. Doesn't look too bad. A couple patches of clouds here and there with rain, possible rain showers. You got your 3 o'clock daily shower in Florida. Southwest Florida, 3 p.m. showers. Right, Matey? Matey had a great
Matey's
day today.
loving it.
Yes.
Loving the boat
check,
today.
check Matey out chilling.
Yep.
He was on the dinghy.
Sit, 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 sit. Good boy. Good boy.
Yep, it's raining. Cooled everything off really good too. Feels good. It's our daily rainstorm in Southwest Florida. cleaning off the dink. Visibility got really short. And just like that, blue skies. If you don't like the weather in Florida, wait 10 minutes. Causeway beaches are loaded with people watching the sunset. And we have a front row seat. She gone.
That was beautiful.
It looks like we're gonna have a beautiful night on the hook over here by the Sanibel Causeway. We'll see you in the morning.